Hi guys, welcome back to Shades of Grey. We are unwrapping the December VIP Savage X 50 box. It is the wrapped up box. So let's show you guys what it has inside. First, we have the Peep Show Premiere Unlined Lace Balconette Bra. So this one does have underwire in it. It has these really pretty designs. It has bows. It's a nice gold, what would you call it?
Hooks. Hooks class.
Hooks clasp. Yeah. Keep it all in place. Well made as usual, and a nice thick back piece. I need the thicker ones. The thinner ones end up folding on me.
Yeah.
So I need mine to be a little bit thicker.
Oh, this underwire.
Yep, this one has underwire.
Okay.
And it has a little tiny open. That's my dishwasher, by the way. Has a little cute little opening right here. Like a peeky boo type of thing.
What's the name of this?
This is the Peep Show Premiere Unlined Lace Balconette Bra.
And y'all, if you're wondering why they call it a peep show, you can't see it, but you could probably see a nipple through it, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Or just peel it down and peep it a little bit right there. I don't know. It's cute. I like it.
Me too. Okay. And then you have I had to make sure I held this right. All right.
Oh.
So, yes, this is the Peep Show Crotchless Panty. So this is the front. And mind you, this is the back.
That is not a peep show. That's your booty all out. That's all I think. See, there's nothing peeping about that. But I like it.
Yes. So
that's a nice bow.
Yes.
So what this does for you, if you
just say it.
Don't have if you don't have a bump in the back, this will help you out. So
yes, this is your bump up.
So little butt.
You got a little butt, so what? Big back, you can show enough. That's what they mean when they say that in that song.
This is really cute. This is gold.
Yes.
All the way through it. That's cute. Oh, it's not scratchy.
No.
No, that's my thing. Oh.
I'm all against that whole scratchy thing. And then you also have the Peep Show Premiere Stay Up Stocking.
Nice.
So you got yourself a cute little stocking. And it has the Savage X. And then actually there's like plastic lining to hold it in place. Yeah. So when it says stay up, it means it stays up.
Yeah, if it doesn't have that plastic on the inside, they're gonna fall.
Yes, you're gonna spend your whole night trying to be cute, pulling on your legs. These make sure you stay cute long enough to do what you do. So
what do you do?
Not a damn thing. Stay single and don't get pregnant.
Good girl.
So we got the stockings, the balcony bralette, and the crotchless panty in your VIP box this time. So let me know what you guys think. Did you get the box? Did you not? Let me figure out which side of the fence you guys are on. Or do you want to get it? I'll link everything down below. All right, as per usual. Oh, that is actually for your opinion.
I think it's cute.
All right,
I like it. How much does it cost?
So the monthly subscription is $50, and that pays for the whole box.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely worth it.
Yay. So as always, in life there's black and white, but with us you get 2 shades of gray. Bye guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.